That two things. Number one is yesterday I told that I don't want USD JPY go below yesterday's low. I don't want it to break below low. Otherwise, the under formation three type will probably will not be a good idea to trade. So of course it went below the yesterday's low, and for time being, the idea of the under formation three drive was discarded. So right now, what I'm trying to say here is the downward channel is now in progress on 4-hour time frame, which can now be traded, and I have rather entered a sell position to go ahead with the channel, and I will show you where are my exit and entry points. So I just have entered right now. I mean, the price right now is trading around 144.65. Yeah, that's the price, and you can enter if you are watching this now, or if you get the similar price. And this is moving in a channel. This is a 4-hour time frame. This is moving in a channel, and we can target the lower border of the channel, or at least the midpoint of the channel. So, for example, if when I go to the midpoint will come something around 144.29. Uh, or it may keep shifting to the downside as the price will progress to the downside. So we will have to see how slow or how fast price moves to the downside, and then we will have to adjust the take profit. It may be 144.20, or maybe it can even be 144 even 144.00, or it can even touch the lower border of the channel, which can be 143.99, or you can say 144.00. So this is a sell trade setup now, and the price action on 4-hour time frame has confirmed, because this candle is a doji candle which totally showed that the upward movement has stopped, and now price is moving down. And there will be no problem with the swap if you take a position after the start of the new day. So there are not many hours remaining in today. So if you are concerned about the swap, you can take a position after 00 hours, and you can take a sell position in USD JPY. And I said that the idea of the three type pattern, which I had shown you yesterday, has not been totally discarded. So we can take the sell position for time being. We can go with the channel, and then we can still look for the opportunities to probably trade the three type pattern, which I discussed on the daily time frame. So I'm now going to show you how probably that three type pattern can still be completed. Here I go on daily time frame. So this downward movement is not going to create a problem in the drive formation, as long as the price stays above this previous low, because this is the second drive, then retracement, and then final drive. So, and the magnitude of retracement, there is no clear way to understand what should be the magnitude of the retracement. It can come till here, maybe 144 even, or 143.60, or 143.00. It can even come to till 142.90, and it can return to the upside, and it can still form the last and final drive. So right now we do not know whether or not it will return to the upside. Right now we can simply trade this downward channel. We are trading bearish side. But what happens if it comes to the downside, and then it stays in a channel, but it doesn't break the previous low on the daily time frame, and then it returns and it breaks the channel to the upside? Yes, if it at any point, if it goes to the upside, breaks the channel to the upside, then the formation of the three drive of daily time frame will again be started. And given that there should be no influential factor like geopolitical tension related to some trade war or something like that. So if market, because look, like I said last time, that this week there is no significant data from the US or Japan, and this week there is only PMI, so that's not a big deal. So if this channel, which you can see, if the channel is broken to the upside from any point, let's say it comes down, we get our target in the sell trades, we enjoy our profits, let's say at 144.20, or whatever price you set according to the midpoint or the lower border. I mean, if the price movement to the downside is fast, I can lower my target in one position. I can target the lower border of the channel in one position, and mid of the channel is in another position. So positional planning is another thing, but the ideology right now is to trade to the downside. And then if it comes to the upside, and at any given point it breaks the channel to the upside. What do I mean by breaking the channel? By breaking the channel, 4-hour candle should close above the upper border of the channel. So if it happens, then there will be another probability of formation of the three drive pattern on the daily time frame. So that's all about the USD JPY now on the both time frames on the bullish and bearish side, because there is no fundamental driving factor right now in the market, and it's gradually moving to the downside. So we can take advantage of this temporary price action, and we want to wait and see whether or not it breaks tomorrow or day after tomorrow to the upside. So that's all in short, and thanks for watching. But hey, my bias to the bullish side has not changed yet, because the downward movement is still slow. It's smaller in magnitude, and it is slower compared to the upward movement. So the long-term scenario and the three drive which I discussed on daily time from yesterday is not totally off the table, but right now it's bearish. So that's all. Thanks for watching.